What if you could feed your pet automatically, even when you're away? Today, we'll build a smart pet feeder using Arduino Uno, a fun and practical STEM project, perfect for ATL Labs and Robotics Labs. Busy schedules often make it difficult to feed pets on time. This smart pet feeder solves that problem by dispensing food automatically at the right time or with the push of a button, introducing students to real-world automation concepts. This project uses the Arduino Uno as the brain. A servo motor rotates to release food from the container. You can even add an RTC Module for scheduled feeding and an LCD to display system status. When the feeding button is pressed, or when the programmed feeding time arrives, the Arduino commands the servo motor to rotate. The servo opens the food dispenser, releases a measured quantity of food, and then closes automatically. Students learn programming, servo control, timing, and embedded system design in one exciting project. This project helps students develop skills in Arduino programming, servo motor control, automation systems, IoT fundamentals, design thinking, problem solving, STEM innovation. It's an excellent hands-on activity for ATL, Tinkering Labs, Robotics Labs, and engineering beginners. Learning robotics becomes exciting when you build solutions for real-life problems. Build your own smart pet feeder with IEM Robotics and take your Arduino skills to the next level. Like, share, and subscribe for more STEM and robotics projects.